What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are actually going to be talking about dropshipping and if I believe that is still worth doing at this point, because I know a lot of people have been saying that it's not worth it anymore or dropshipping's dead. And I actually did my very first week of dropshipping last week, so I wanted to go ahead and tell you guys how that went and if I still believe that it's still worth doing. So like I said, guys, last week was my first week of dropshipping, so I can go ahead and tell you guys how that week went. I think that it was actually a success. I know most people are going to be like, dude, you should stop doing it. You should just stop doing it because it's so oversaturated, it's dead, all this other stuff. But in my opinion, it was a success. I'm going to tell you guys exactly the numbers that I got, exactly like how much I sold, how much I put into like advertisements and all that stuff. So I'll give you guys all the numbers and you guys can decide whether you guys think it was a success or not. So the very first day that I started was actually April 23rd. Today it is actually May 3rd, so exactly 10 days ago, but I have not promoted or advertised anything on Instagram for like the past 3 days. So it was exactly 7 days. That's the figure, the amount of money that I made in those 7 days is what I'm about to tell you guys. So I made about $165.88, so pretty much 166 around there. By in the red, I mean that I actually wasted more money on advertisements and promoting on Instagram than I made back from like sales and the things that I sold on there. So I'm actually in the red, as in I wasted more than what I got back. So total on the advertisement and promoting, I spent about $313. So if you should subtract the 168 from that, then you get $145 as in the red, as in that's how much money I've lost since I've started this. But the catch and why I think it's not as bad as you guys think, you guys could probably be like, oh, you lost $150, that's a total failure. But you guys, you have to remember that the main goal of kind of advertising and promoting on Instagram is to get your pixel for your Facebook, and that is how you pretty much make more of that money. Instagram is kind of like, if you make money, that's cool, but most of the time the goal is to get that Facebook pixel data. So the method that I used for the drop shipping in that first week was actually free plus shipping. And if you guys don't know what that is, it's when you pretty much advertise a product as free, so you'll put the products free and then they just have to cover shipping. So that might be a reason why the margins weren't that good for me on the return. If I actually would have been selling the product at like an actual good price, I probably would have made my money back if you guys actually think about it. My main goal is actually to kind of get like evened out. So let's say I spent $200 on advertisements and promoting, and I would like to get those $200 back in profit, or not even in profit, just $200 in sales to kind of like get my money back for what I actually put in for advertising and all of that. So I'm not trying to make a huge amount of money off of the Instagram stuff. I'm trying to make good money once I switch over into Facebook with my Facebook pixel that I get from Instagram. So like I said, you guys, a lot of people are going to think that this last week was a total failure on dropshipping and that I should just go ahead and stop doing it. But I wanted to tell you guys about how it went, because I know a lot of stuff is going around about how you should just not do it, don't even start, and all this other stuff. But you guys, that was my very first week, and I made a pretty good decent amount of money on return from what I actually spent on the advertisements. So you guys, for my answer as to do I think that it's actually still worth doing it, I definitely believe that it's still worth doing. Maybe in a couple years it might not be worth starting, but at this point right now, this is not the best time, but it's at the best time that it's ever going to be from now on. So if you guys are thinking about it, make sure to go ahead and start now. Learn about it, and then maybe get into some courses, learn how the business works, and get started today, guys. Do not wait any longer if you guys are actually thinking about doing it. Go ahead and start right now. Now, I will continue to update you guys on my dropshipping and how the business is going and all that. I think I might do it every 2 weeks. If not every 2 weeks, I'll do it every month. Tomorrow, I will actually be doing another promotion or advertisement day, however you guys want to call it. So hopefully in 2 weeks I can get back to you guys and actually hit that goal of kind of evening out my expenses and profits from what I get from the dropshipping. Hopefully I can meet that goal on the next 2 weeks, and then I can kind of guarantee you guys that it actually is still worth doing. So like I said, you guys, I definitely believe that it is still worth trying, at least trying. And then if you guys ultimately don't like it, or you guys literally don't make any sales for like a couple months, then obviously you guys should probably just stop doing it. But remember that it is going to take a lot of time and a lot of work. From a lot of the stories that I've heard, it takes months and months to actually start making a profit off of this. You just guys got to practice, kind of promote, see what works and see what doesn't, and then kind of use that for new products. But you guys, that is pretty much it for this video. Like I said, I do believe that it's still worth you guys trying. If you guys actually are thinking about trying it, make sure to start right now, tomorrow, as soon as possible. Go ahead and start. I know this is kind of a short video, you guys, but this is actually kind of a documentary, not documentary, but I kind of wanted to document this last week of experience, because I want to look back on this and actually see how much I grow in this business, how much I learn, and if I can actually start making profit after this. So I wanted to save this and look back and be like, man, I remember that first week when I was losing money, and now I'm actually making a lot more profit off of like Facebook or whatever I end up doing after dropshipping. But the experience that I get from this could help me do other things in the future. So I wanted to go ahead and document this. So you guys, like I said, it is going to be it for this video. If you guys have not subscribed, make sure to subscribe down below at the bottom. And make sure to give this video a like if you guys enjoyed me kind of sharing my first week of experience on dropshipping. I will try to give you guys tips as I get better. Let's say you guys start and then I get better. I can start giving you guys tips from experience that I go through, so you guys don't have to go through it and you guys don't have to lose as much money as I have. But you guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you guys on the next video.